Made by OEM approved manufacturer that meets or exceeds OE standard. Light bulbs used. 800 series 881 bulbs 12 volts, 37.5 W. Sold as a pair, left and right. OEM direct fitment. Some wiring may be required for items with halo rings. Premium high-quality avec lighting fog lamps. Top reviews from the United States. Super cheap, quick, easy to install, just like OEM. These are cheap plastic, just like the originals, they fit the same, and are easy to install. Just like the original fog lamp assemblies, they shake, wiggle and flop about, providing just enough glare to annoy oncoming drivers, and let them know you have fog lights on. I leave mine on all the time, and use the aftermarket yellow LED bulbs for maximum effect. You should too.